Jedox Review, 2025 Worth it for business planning. Most people get business planning software wrong by assuming Excel is enough. Jedox is a cloud-based platform in 2025 designed for planning, budgeting and analytics. The platform allows finance and operations teams to build models, automate workflows, and collaborate in real time. You won't believe what happens next. It integrates with Excel, ERP systems and BI tools, making data consolidation seamless. Jedox also features predictive analytics, scenario planning, and reporting dashboards. The surprising truth is that it reduces manual input errors and accelerates decision-making for enterprises. Smaller businesses may find the platform complex and costly, but for medium to large companies needing robust planning tools, Jedox provides significant efficiency gains. In conclusion, Jedox is worth considering in 2025 if your organization requires comprehensive planning, forecasting, and reporting capabilities. Its integration features and advanced analytics make it a strong choice for businesses ready to move beyond spreadsheets.